All right, now let's go through this last part and let's just enjoy. It says, what is the cardinality of each of these sets? We know what cardinality means. It means the size. So we can say the cardinality of the set with this set has A, and it has this set with A as an element. Then it's like that. So what is the cardinality of this? Well, we look here. Element number 1 is this. Element number 2 is this, because the true elements are separated by the comma outside. The comma that is only inside the first braces. It can't be inside another brace. So here it's only inside. So yeah, this is element 1 and this is element 2. So here the cardinality is 2. We go to the next one. We go to part II. What is the cardinality of the set with this set as an element? So what is our element here? Okay, so we want the cardinality. The element is this guy. He is inside the big braces outside. So this is the cardinality of 1. It is the cardinality of 1. It has the cardinality of 1. We go to number 3. It says now we have a set with, I'll put that, then I start listing the elements. A, then the set with A, then the set with A and this one, then we finish. So here it says, what is the cardinality of this? So what is the cardinality? Oh, it's so easy. What is the cardinality? I look at the commas outside, the commas that are not in another brace. These commas are in another set of braces. So no, I don't look at them. So this is element 1, element 2, and element 3. So the cardinality of this would be 3. And that would be it. You would be done.